Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to set up a DHCP server in Cisco Packet Tracer. If you're just starting out with networking, this tutorial will help you understand the basics of DHCP and how it works in a small network setup. So what is DHCP? It stands for Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, and it automatically assigns IP addresses to devices on a network. So when a device connects to the DHCP server, it provides it with an IP address, a gateway, and other network settings. And this eliminates the need for us to manually configure each device, making the process easier and quicker. So in a nutshell, it's an automated way to manage IP addresses and network configurations. Let's get our topology drawn out here. And we'll start with, go to end devices and get a server. This will be the DHCP server. Network devices, switches, grab a switch. End devices again. We'll grab two PCs and two laptops. Okay. I will just connect these. You would choose copper straight through, but for time's sake I'm just going to use the automatic cabling. Okay. Now that's everything connected. Now we want to configure our DHCP server. So we'll go to the server, double click, and we'll go to our desktop tab. And we'll click on IP configuration. And here we will set the static IP address for our server. So 192.168.1.1. Okay. This IP will also act as the default gateway for all the other devices on the network. Subnet mask is 255.255.255, which is class C. And let me just put this as our default gateway. So our server acts as the central point for IP management and traffic routing. Okay. So next we want to go to our services tab. And you see here we have lots of different services we can choose from. So we select DHCP and we turn that service on. Now here we can see pool name. A DHCP pool is the range of IP addresses that a server can assign to the devices dynamically. So for a pool name, you can call it anything you want, but it's a good idea to use a meaningful name. This would be especially if it's a larger network where you might have multiple DHCP pools. I'm just going to name mine default. Okay, and we'll set our default gateway. Okay, and we can see here DNS server translates the human readable domain names like google.com into IP addresses. In small networks you can leave this blank or set it to the same IP address as the gateway. In larger networks you would use a dedicated DNS server or an external one. Start IP address. This is the starting IP address that the DHCP server will hand out to the devices. It's set to 192.168.1.0 here, and our subnet mask 255.255.255. This really defines the size of the network and tells devices which part of the IP address is network portion and which part is the host portion. In this case we're using a standard class C subnet mask. Okay, so here we have maximum number of users. This just defines how many devices can obtain an IP address from the pool, and you can set it to how many you want. Okay, so here we want to just add this, and you can see down here it's been added. Let's go out of here, and now we want to check end devices here. So if we go to desktop, IP configuration, and we select DHCP instead of static, and you can see it's requesting, and the request was successful. So let's do that for the rest of our end devices here. There we go. Okay. Okay. Now we have everything set up, we can test our network and see if we have connection. So if we select PC0, we go into command prompt and we type ping and 192.168.1.1. So we'll ping the server and see what we get. And you can see we've got a reply from the server. Now we'll try and ping I think it's the laptop. And you can see now that we have a successful ping, and we have connections. Okay. So now you know how to configure a basic DHCP server and how it assigns IP addresses to devices automatically. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. And if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.